for work right now. I'm giving you guys a little tip. I'm sure you guys have seen other people talk about this on TikTok before, but I have been shaving my entire face for probably like 3 or 4 years now at this point. And it makes the biggest difference. It makes your makeup go on so much smoother. It makes your face feel softer. I cannot believe that I haven't fixed my hair yet and I've just been letting it sit in this insane bun the whole time I did that. It's so embarrassing. I'm literally using the Poly B Got To Be glue right now. Big Jersey Shore fan. So guys, hot gossip of the day is the fact that I have a sty and it hurts so fucking bad. That's why I'm wearing my glasses today and not my contacts. And just for clarification, I am so OCD whenever it comes to my makeup kit about cleaning and keeping things organized and super sanitized. I swear my assistants hate me sometimes because of how psycho I am whenever it comes to cleaning my kit. And I don't even use any products or brushes or anything out of my kit anyway. I have my own personal makeup and brushes and things like that so that I can keep everything very separate. To be honest, the last few days I've just been feeling super stressed and honestly kind of burnt out, and I'm wondering if the stress kind of triggered the sty.
Look how good it is.
This is our best one yet.
This is like, what the fuck?
Bro. And
what's up? Let me take you out to dinner. Ugh. Fuck, dude. I love you. Thank you so much.
It's Susie from the Vlog Squad's birthday today, so she's gonna be coming over here in a little bit and we're gonna be doing a little birthday glam moment for her. And then she's having a big party tonight and I wanna go so bad, but I'm just like so tired. Okay. I wish that was Venmo, but unfortunately that was OfferUp. I'm about to do my makeup for literally no reason at all. I have zero plans tonight, but I figured, you know, why not? I thought I would do like a little holiday inspired makeup. I'm almost done doing my makeup. All I need to do still is a blush and a lipstick. I'm gonna be using one of the Rare Beauty liquid blushes. I've never tried these before. This is in the shade Grateful. A little celebrity makeup artist hack for you guys is to always use a blush that's similar tone to your lipstick. So usually I always go for kind of like a pinky nude lip, so I always kind of do just like a pinky nude natural type of blush. But today I'm gonna be applying a red lip since it's holiday. And listen, I don't wanna have like bright red Santa cheeks, but I think it's really cute to kind of have like a soft red flesh tone on your cheeks. As you guys can tell, this is a very red blush, okay? I have seen on TikTok that the pigmentation on these blushes are like insane. And so a little goes a long way. Like I said, I have never tried them before, so this is gonna be my first time. But knowing what I know about using this sparingly, we're gonna be careful. So what I liked, oh wow, this is very pigmented. Like thank God I did not put that on my face yet, okay? I always like to start by just applying a little bit to the back of my hand. And then if you wanna use your fingers, you can use your fingers and tap a little bit. This is just me taking the littlest bit and that's what it looks like. So we need to proceed with caution. Your fingers are one of the best tools whenever it comes to applying makeup. I feel like everyone always comes up to me and is like, oh my God, like you would freak out if you saw me do my makeup. Like it's so embarrassing. Like I use my fingers like that. Listen, bitch, no, it's okay. I use my fingers too. Your finger really heats up the makeup and just makes it melt into your skin. Normally, I never really would apply a red blush on myself just because that's a little adventurous for me, but I'm really into this. As you can tell, I ended up doing a makeup change and I literally just filmed like a full ass campaign for Makeup Forever and NARS Cosmetics. I love both of those brands so much and I don't know, I was just bored and felt like getting creative. So I kind of played around with different lighting and setups. I had so much fun. I really enjoy content creating and I'm not doing any sort of paid partnership with Makeup Forever or NARS Cosmetics yet. I always get a ton of questions from you guys about how to start working with brands and getting paid partnerships, and this is the perfect example. I'm not getting paid by either of the brands that I just shot these videos for. They don't even know that I'm doing this. famous, but they're two brands that I genuinely love and would die to work for. So whenever I'm bored and just want to get creative and play around, I try to just create really cool and sick content for some of the brands that I really love, and then it's a perfect way for them to notice me, see my page, and get a feel for some of the content that I could create for them if I were to be paid. It also goes to show too, if I was putting this much time and effort into something that I wasn't getting paid for, what could I do if there was actually a budget? I'm not saying to work with some of your dream brands you have to create this entire commercial and campaign at all, but it just helps you get more recognition from the brand, and they appreciate that too. It's almost like your pitch to them. And that's one thing that I've seen a lot on TikTok, which I think is so cool. A lot of people have just started pitching themselves on TikTok, and they're like, hey, Summer Fridays, or whatever brand it is, I think that you should hire me because of this, this, and this. Here's the content that I would create with the latest products you guys have launched. And I have seen so many people on TikTok get jobs because of that. It's also amazing because TikTok's such a great way to get noticed by so many new faces than you would on Instagram or Twitter or things like that, just because TikTok's really allowing creators to grow and get their content seen by so many new people. And I know for me, I've even seen TikToks by people that I've never met, have no mutual friends with, like no connections to whatsoever. They'll pop up on my For You page and be like, hey, Tana Mojo, I own my own brand and I would die to see you in my clothes. And then I'll send it to Tana, or I'll DM them and be like, oh my god, hey, I know Tana would be obsessed with these, send them to me and I'll make sure she gets them. And like I was talking about in one of my vlogs the other day about manifesting, is that quote where it's like, you're always one person away from your dream person. And so it's so easy to put yourself out there to at least one person, and then you never know who that one person knows and who they could connect you with, and it can literally change your life overnight. Anyway, thank you guys for coming to my TED Talk.